Buenos dias, clase, o buenas tardes, o buenas noches. If you've been watching Senor Woolley and Puedo ir al baño over the last couple of days, then you've been able to ponder perhaps the greatest question you have ever pondered, and that is, ¿Por qué Carlos fue al baño? And if you haven't pondered that question yet, it's coming up soon for you. Please make sure that you get to that. Anyway, you must be right about here if you are listening to this. I want to walk you through the week's activities. First of all, make sure that you've checked your grades on Schoology. And then you need to review your weather vocab on Quizlet and with this list because we have a weather vocab quiz today, and that is with no helps. Please be honest. Use Integridad Academica. It's in the Schoology folder, the green Schoology folder at the top of the page, and knock that out. Then you'll be able to continue on with the story in El Héroe del Coronavirus, capítulos 1 through 10. You should be up to 6, so now you have 7, 8, 9, and 10. They're short chapters. It won't take you very long with those. And then be sure to take the reading quiz also that is on Schoology in the green folder. And then also you get to go on to do 2 nuggets with Puedo ir al baño. If you haven't started those yet, they are due on May 15th with everything else. So what you need to do with this, if you're not quite sure how to get there yet, watch this video here, but maybe I'll walk you through it even, and we'll kind of pretend like our name is Furgonito, and we are going to log into Senor Woolley. If you've logged in correctly back in our class time, then you should have no problem getting there. You should see something like this. And again, there's more detail in that other video if this doesn't get you to where you need to get to. So select your teacher, Senor Rap. Select your class. Furgonito is in Timbre Uno. And so then you select your name. Furgonito selects his name. And our password is the scarf and then the boot. Billy Bota. You log in there. You don't need that blue sign up thing. Okay, and then we're doing Puedo ir al baño right there. And then you're going to do nuggets. Now over here tells you that you're in the nuggets. Here would be to watch the video, the music, etc. But make sure you're in the nuggets over here. And a nugget consists of 8 or so little activities. So that's one thing is not a nugget. The whole thing is a nugget. Now each one of those nuggets only takes half a minute maybe, or maybe a minute in some cases. So it's not all that much. You need to do this nugget completely, all 8 of these activities, and then it will kick you on to the second nugget, and you need to do that. That is for a completion grade. So make sure you do 2 nuggets, and again, there's 8 or so activities in each nugget. All right, so if you have any questions with that, please be sure to email me. If you feel like that's really, really easy and you'd rather bump it up for just a little more challenge, then email me and I can bump you up a level as well. So today, for this week, for a grade, you have writing grade with the vocab quiz. You have the reading grade with a few more chapters in El Héroe del Coronavirus, and a completion grade of doing those 2 nuggets. Okay, so let's take a look at the vocabulary that we need to do. Please give me a second to find it. I should have had it pulled up, but I didn't. Okay, if you will join me in un poco de conversación, that would be just super. Make sure we're speaking in voz alta, that we're talking out loud. Here's a chance for you to work on your out loud speaking skills. Buenos días, buenas tardes, gracias por estar aquí. And now it's your turn. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy feliz porque hace buen tiempo hoy. ¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es lunes. ¿Qué día es mañana? Mañana es martes. ¿Qué día fue ayer? Ayer fue domingo. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Let's say it's the 11th of May. It may or may not be, but let's say it is. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Es el 11 de mayo 2020. ¿Qué hora es? Pues son las... ¿Qué? ¿Qué hora es? Aquí son las 9:32 de la mañana. ¿Qué tiempo hace? ¿Hace buen tiempo o hace mal tiempo? Creo que hoy hace buen tiempo. Repetir, hace buen tiempo. Hace mal tiempo. ¿Ok? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Repetir. Hace sol. Está nublado. Hace frío. Hace calor. Hace viento. Llueve. Llueve mucho en Ohio en abril y mayo, ¿sí? Y nieva. No nieva mucho en Florida. En Alaska, nieva mucho. Bien. Now, some of that's your vocab for your quiz. There's a few more words as well, but for your quiz this week, that's some of your vocab. Here's a little bit more. ¿Cuál es la temperatura en Mason? Let's say it's 70 degrees today. So you would say, la temperatura está a... Y la temperatura está a 70 grados. ¿Y qué estación es? This is also in your vocab this week for your vocab quiz. Repetir. La primavera, el otoño. Perdona, el verano. El otoño. El invierno. ¿Qué estación es? Es la primavera. Muy bien. Okay. If you have any questions on anything, feel free to email me. Otherwise, let's get to it. Knock out this week. Hasta luego.